Staying ahead of the curve is crucial for success. Turabo Business School is committed to empowering the next generation of leaders with the skills they need to thrive. We present to you our special computer training exclusively designed for SS3 and GSS3 graduates. Our comprehensive program covers a wide range of topics, including Microsoft Word, master the art of document creation and editing, unlock the power of data analysis and visualization, Microsoft Access, learn to manage and analyze database, Microsoft PowerPoint, create stunning presentations that captivate audiences, graphic design using CorelDRAW, unleash your creativity and design skills, Photoshop, enhance your image editing skills and create stunning visuals, programming using web design, build dynamic website and web applications, database development, learn to design and manage databases, UI/UX design, create user-friendly and intuitive interfaces. At the Turabo Business School, we believe in creating world-class entrepreneurs and professionals. Our experienced instructors will guide you every step of the way, providing you with hands-on training and mentorship. Don't miss this opportunity to gain a competitive edge. Contact us today to learn more about our program and register for the next session. Call 080-6026-9140, 070-6342-8464 or 090-1010-8844 between 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Mondays to Fridays. Turabo Business School, creating world-class entrepreneurs and professionals. Join us today and unlock your full potential. Turabo Business School, opposite Civil Service Commission, Hamarua Way, Jalingo, Turabo State. Empower yourself with the skills of the future. Register now. In today's digital age, staying ahead of the curve is crucial for success. Turabo Business School is committed to empowering the next generation of leaders with the skills they need to thrive. We present to you our special computer training exclusively designed for SS3 and GSS3 graduates. Our comprehensive program covers a wide range of topics, including Microsoft Word, master the art of document creation and editing, unlock the power of data analysis and visualization, Microsoft Access, learn to manage and analyze database, Microsoft PowerPoint, create stunning presentations that captivate audiences, graphic design using CorelDRAW, unleash your creativity and design skills, Photoshop, enhance your image editing skills and create stunning visuals, programming using web design, build dynamic website and web applications, database development, learn to design and manage databases, UI/UX design, create user-friendly and intuitive interfaces. At the Turabo Business School, we believe in creating world-class entrepreneurs and professionals. Our experienced instructors will guide you every step of the way, providing you with hands-on training and mentorship. Don't miss this opportunity to gain a competitive edge. Contact us today to learn more about our program and register for the next session. Call 080-6026-9140, 070-6342-8464 or 090-1010-8844 between 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Mondays to Fridays. Turabo Business School, creating world-class entrepreneurs and professionals. Join us today and unlock your full potential. Turabo Business School, opposite Civil Service Commission, Hamarua Way, Jalingo, Turabo State. Empower yourself with the skills of the future. Register now.
Good afternoon and welcome to Som TV Business Daily, your trusted source for business insight, market intelligence, and corporate development across Nigeria and beyond. I am Teresa Ayuba, and on today's edition, it's a mix of market movement, government intervention, and strong corporate performance as we take you through. The Nigerian stock market first major decline after 7 consecutive weeks of gains. The federal government release of 11.99 billion naira to settle doctors' arrears amid an ongoing worldwide strike, and the impressive earnings report from Boa Food PLC with profit before tax nearly doubling year on year. Let's begin with the markets. Market Wrap NGX Weekly Review. After a remarkable 7-week rally, the Nigerian Exchange NGX closed the week ended October 31st, 2025 in the red, making a 0.98% decline as investor sentiment cooled amid profit-taking and reduced trading activities. The all-share index dropped by 1,518.6 points, settled at 154,126.46, down from 155,675 points. The previous week, market capitalization also slipped from 98.7 trillion naira to 97.8 trillion naira, while total trading value fell to 2.5 billion shares compared to 3.69 billion. The week before market break weekend, with only 29 stocks appreciating against 70 decliners, while 74 remain unchanged. Still on the market remains resilient, maintaining a 49.75% year-to-date again, underscoring investors' overall confidence. Moving forward to the sectoral performances. Sector-wise, it was a mixed performance. The oil and gas index stood out as the long gainer, advancing 0.30%, driven by Oando PLC, impressive 11.87% surge. However, other sectors took a hit, like the insurance index clocked a 3.47%, dragged down by AXA Massard, minus 13.75%, and Sanu Assurance, minus 13.27%. Consumers' goods declined 2.73%, with Cadbury Nigerian losing 13.72%, while banking index slipped 2.11% and industrial goods dropped 1.02%. Among the top performers, ASU Savings and Loans PLC led the pack, soaring 56.06% week to date to close at 1.03 naira, followed by Julius Berger Nigerian PLC, with gain 13.28% to 151.80 naira. On the flip side, Umetech Venture PLC topped the losers chart with a 21.97% drop, ending at 1.21 naira, while John Hott PLC declined 16.92% to 5.40 naira. Then moving to our corporate action, it was also a busy week for financial disclosure on the Nigerian exchange, with multiple companies releasing their Q3 2025 results. Among them were Transcorp Boa Cement, Dangote Cement, EcoBank, JT Co, Celpet, Berger Paint, and MTN Nigeria. Analysts believe the strong corporate earnings will provide support for the market in the coming weeks. Down to government finance and health sector update. Away from the capital market, the federal government has announced plans to release 11.99 billion naira within 72 hours of settled salary and allowance arrears owed by the medical professionals. The move comes to response to the indefinite nationwide strike declared by the National Association of Resident Doctors. According to Alaba Balogun, head of information at the Federal Ministry of Health, the government is taking concrete action to resolve the grievance of health workers, including recruitment, arrears payment, and broader sector reform. Following a directive from President Bola Tinubu, the Ministry of Finance and Health have been mandated to expedite disbursement processes. Already 21.3 billion naira has been transferred into the IPIP's account for salary payment, alongside the previous release of 10 billion naira in August to cover 7-month arrears arising from the upward review. The government also confirmed the employment of over 20,000 health workers across 58 federal institutions, with 15 more positions approved for 2025. Additionally, 10.6 billion naira has been disbursed as a 2025 medical residence training fund benefiting residents doctor nationwide. Industry relations expert Professor Defi Otodo has been engaged to facilitate dialogue between the unions and government. Talks are ongoing on issues such as specialist allowances, salary relatively, and consult cadre appointments. Moving forward to corporate performance, Bua Food PLC and an incorporate earnings food manufacturing plant, Bua Food PLC delivered one of the strongest quarterly performance on the NGX this year. The company reported a 156 billion pre-tax profit for Q3 2025, representing an impressive 99% year-on-year increase from 78.46 billion record in Q3 2024. This brings its 9-month pre-tax profit of 433 billion naira, up 101% year-on-year, with total revenue climbing 33% to 1.42 trillion naira. Key drivers of the stellar performance include strong demand in sugar, semolina, rice, pasta, and wheat grain segment. Gross profit rose 57% to 181.3 billion naira, while finance income jumped over 500%, reflecting better cash management and favorable market conditions. Bua Food total asset grew 13% to 1.24 trillion naira, with shareholders' funds now at 633 billion naira. Analysts say Bua's robust production Analysts say Bua's robust production dissatisfaction continues to shield its inflationary pressure and raising input costs, reinforcing its position as one of the Nigeria's most profitable consumer goods firms. Now moving to the market outlook. Despite last week's decline, analysts maintain a bullish outlook for the Nigerian equities market, with a strong Q3 earnings, particularly from the banking and consumer goods sector investors. We're taking a brief commercial break. When we return, Business Daily continues.
In today's digital age, staying ahead of the curve is crucial for success. Turabo Business School is committed to empowering the next generation of leaders with the skills they need to thrive. We present you our special computer training exclusively designed for SS3 and JSS3 graduates. Our comprehensive program covers a wide range of topics, including Microsoft Word, master the art of document creation and editing, unlock the power of data analysis and visualization, Microsoft Access, learn to manage and analyze database, Microsoft PowerPoint, create stunning presentations that captivate audiences, graphic design using CorelDRAW, unleash your creativity and design skills, Photoshop, enhance your image editing skills and create stunning visuals, programming using web design, build dynamic websites and web applications, database development, learn to design and manage databases, UI/UX design, create user-friendly and intuitive interfaces. At the Turabo Business School, we believe in creating world-class entrepreneurs and professionals. our experienced instructors will guide you every step of the way, providing you with hands-on training and mentorship. Don't miss this opportunity to gain a competitive edge. Contact us today to learn more about our program and register for the next session. Call 080-6026-9140, 070-6342-8464, or 090-1010-8844 between 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Mondays to Fridays. Turabo Business School, creating world-class entrepreneurs and professionals. Join us today and unlock your full potential. Turabo Business School, opposite Civil Service Commission, Hamarua Way, Jalingo, Turabo State.
Welcome back. If you're just joining us, this is Business Daily on SOM TV, and we're moving forward to the next market outlook. Despite last week's decline, analysts maintain a bullish outlook from the Nigerian equities market, with a strong Q3 earnings, particularly from banking and consumer goods sector. Investors are expected to remain optimistic as we approach the year end. The oil share index continues to trade above the 150,000 mark, supported by bargain hunting and renewed foreign interest. We begin this afternoon edition on a positive note from the Nigerian exchange, where investors enjoyed a mild rebound as market capitalization rose by 45 billion naira for the week ended October 31st, 2025. According to the data from the Nigerian Exchange Group, the market performance was largely beyond by renewed investors' confidence in top-tier banking and energy stock. The oil share index appreciated by 0.11%, closing at 99,241.22 points, up from 99,132,000 points, recording the previous week. Analysts attribute the gains to improved third-quarter earnings report from the lease companies and renewed foreign investors' interest in Nigerian equities, following the Nigerians' recent stability. Among the top performers were Transcorp, UBA, and Seplat Energy, while FBN Holdings and Zenith Bank also recorded impressive turnovers. Meanwhile, the value of traded stocks stood at 38.7 billion naira, with over 1.5 billion shares changing hand in 26,000 deals. Market expert project mixed outlook for the coming week, as profit-taking activities could slightly deepen the current momentum. Nonetheless, investors remain optimistic, citing renewed microeconomic stability and increase from foreign participation in the capital market. With corporate earnings strengthening and the naira showing signs of resilience, the equities market seems poised for the gradual upward climb as 2025 drawn to close. That's the wrap on NGX Weekly Review, a week that ends on bright note for investors. MTN's fintech business mint for 3 billion naira quarterly revenue telecom gain. MTN Nigerian has once again proven its dominance in corporate space, posting impressive third quarterly results that signal a full recovery from previous foreign exchange losses. In the latest financial report, MTN recorded a massive 3.7 trillion naira in revenue and 1.1 trillion naira in pre-tax, reaffirming its place as one of the Nigeria's most profitable companies. But the real standout is fintech division, which has quickly become a major growth engine. The fintech arm, which include Momo Payment, Service Bank, and Yellow Digital Financial Service, generated 131.6 billion naira in the first 9 months of 2025, translating to roughly 43 billion naira per quarter, a stunning 72.5% increase year-on-year. MTN Fintech growth is being driven by its 85 million subscribers and expanding digital wallet ecosystem. Active wallet rose to 2.9 million naira as of September 2025, underscoring strong consumers' engagement across both urban and rural Nigeria. Executive says the company's strategy is centered on deepening financial inclusion, particularly for the unbanked population. The platform features including payments, mobile wallets, microloans, and insurance have transformed it into a lifestyle utility for millions. Industry watchers believe MTN's fintech unit could hit the 200 billion naira annual revenue mark by 2026. With prospect of a future spin-off and the public listening, the company's foresight in securing payment service, bank, and super agent license is now paying off, giving it unique edge to compete directly with the traditional bank. With data-driven landing and expanding transaction, MTN is not just Nigeria's telecom leaders. It is steadily evolving into a financial powerhouse, shaping the future of a digital finance across Africa. Moving forward to the Naira break it October course. For the first time in years, the Nigerian Naira defied its traditional October patterns of depreciation, closing strong at 1,427 per dollar on the parallel market, compared to 1,478 at the official window. Historically, October has been the Naira storm season, with past years marked by sharp declines, but 2025 has broken the cycle. According to analysts, the turnaround reflects improved market confidence and tighter monetary discipline under the central bank governor Olayemi Cardoso. Speculative demand for dollars has dropped significantly as inflation and tighter liquidity have left fewer Nigerians with spare cash to hoard foreign currency. Foreign reserve has also climbed to $43 billion, while portfolio investors are returning to the local market, encouraged by high yield and greater transparency in exchange rate management. Corporate entities that previously profited from the forex gain are now rushing to convert their holdings and expectation of the strong Naira. Further boosting liquidity in the domestic market, experts say the Naira's newfound resilience signal a deeper structural shift in Nigeria's economy. For years, the currency fate was tied to crude oil price, but under the current free market regime, confidence, liquidity, and policy consistency appear to be driven exchange rate behavior more than oil revenue. Economics describe this as a new rhythm of resilience, a positive sign that Nigeria's currency is beginning to find its true market value. In substance, this stability could mark a beginning of a stronger era for the Naira and the broader Nigerian economy. And moving to the closing segment, and that's it on Some TV Business Daily for this Monday, November 3rd, 2025. The market may have taken it brighter, but the fundamental remains solid, with Nigerian corporate sector showing resilience and the government taking decisive steps in critical areas like healthcare. Join us again tomorrow for another deep dive into Nigerian business landscape. I am Teresa Ayuba. Thank you for watching, and also keep making informed business decisions. Do have a lovely day.